ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. And also, I want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Now, tignan natin kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. With your first card is the Six of Cups followed by the Six of Swords. Parang medyo tinitigasan natin yung puso natin dito, no? Yes, namimiss mo itong person na ito. Nandun na tayo. Meron tayo talagang longing. Pero parang kinokontrol natin yung sarili natin na wag mo na akong mag-reach out, wag mo na akong, kumbaga, hayaan ko na lang, no? I surrender. Parang kay sira-sira, no? Kung ano yung mangyayari, yun na yung mangyayari. Pero syempre, deep in my heart, kung ako, no, yung taong ito, deep in my heart, I'm hoping na maayos pa rin. So, technically, meron kayong separation, no? Whether this is physical or energetic. So, for those new physical separation, like literally, magkalayo kayo. Energetic separation is pwede nga nagkikita kayo pero hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. Or ang malala doon is combination, no? Hindi na kayo nagkikita, hindi pa kayo nag-uusap. So parang ginagawa mo dito, hayaan ko na lang. Let it be, no? Ang naming kanta, kaya sira-sira, tsaka let it be. Ayan. Your heart space is the Four of Swords. So the reason being is siguro either nanawa ka na rin ng kakahabol, either nanawa ka na rin ng sabihin natin, kakaayos, no? Parang siguro na-feel mo dito, maya't-maya ako inaayos yung relationship. Maya't-maya ako, kumbaga, I'm the one who's fixing the relationship. However, parang wala naman nangyayari. No? I feel like I am in a loop, or we are in a loop. Tapos, siguro mga ilang araw lang, no? There's another issue that might gonna arise na naman. Tapos, aayusin ko na naman. So, it felt like I'm done with it, no? Ayoko nung ganito. Ayoko nung sitwasyon na para kung nauubos, nakakapagod, I'm so exhausted, I'm being drained. So, with the Hangman, so nakikita naman natin na medyo at first, ayan, medyo talagang siguro ngayon nagsisisi ka kasi parang before hindi ka sure, no, na sagutin nito or may doubt ka dito sa relationship. Pero siguro katigasan din ng ulo mo, okay, gagawin ko na lang din, no, or okay, mag-aano na lang din ako, I might gonna do it anyway. So parang ganun yung sinabi mo. You jump into this from doubtful, meron kang the Temperance. You tried it, no? You tried it anyway. So, tama din naman yung thought process mo na anong gagawin ko, no? Paano ko malalaman kung hindi ko susubukan? Di ayan. You did try entering the relationship with your person. With the King of Pentacles, I feel like medyo makakatulong ito sa relationship ninyo, itong separation na nangyari. Kasi from the Hangman to the King of Pentacles, pwede nating sabihin there might also be confusion with your person back then or up to the current prior magkaroon kayo ng separation. Pero kasi with the King of Pentacles, meron din ditong realization of why not give generosity no to you. Pwedeng sabihin natin itong si person mismo ngayon ang mag-a-approach para magkita kayo, mag-a-approach para sabihin natin maayos, no? Or i-clear kung ano man itong bumabagabag dito sa relationship. With the Nine of Cups, I think that there is a wish fulfillment. So, tinatamad ka man, or you might be losing the enthusiasm of fixing the connection. Pero, ganun pa man, yung puso mo, no, parang sinasabi hopefully, sana naman, hindi naman ito matapos ng ganun-ganun na lang. Parang mapagbibigyan ka dito. Someone probably from the universe, or the universe itself, no, heard you. Sige, gawin pa natin. With the Eight of Pentacles, yeah, I think that your person's going to work on things. Artist ba yung person mo? Kasi parang nakakita tayo dito ng mabago-bago yung kanyang mood, no? Ganun naman talaga pag artist. There might be some things na hindi niya gagawin kung hindi naman wala siya dun sa vibe, no? Hindi siya naka-enter dun sa portal of doing the things. So with the Hermit, I feel like gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng enlightenment dito sa person. Well, definitely, I feel like mangyayari naman kasi hindi naman siya babalik kung wala naman siyang enlightenment. Tulad nga sabi ko, para nakatulong itong separation, no? Dito sa inyong kung ano man yung nangyari. The Three of Pentacles, parang feeling ko, medyo oobserbahan mo pa si person, pag-aaralan mo pa. So, hindi ko naman sasabihin na magiging madamot ka. Pero mag-iiba yung iyong way kung paano i-approach itong person mo. Dahil medyo hindi naman titikisin, titipirin. There you go. Titipirin mo siya ng pagmamahal, not because gusto mong gumanti. Siguro you've learned from the past na hindi dapat ibinibigay lahat, no? Hindi dapat binibigay 100% kung ano ang meron ka. I think that there are also learnings na pwede nating masabi na para sa iyo, no? Dito sa relationship ninyo. Or it can also be a learning, yung self-growth. Ayan. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign. Pero bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayo mga questions dito sa reading na ito, sa description box, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Scorpio, Libra, Sagittarius, Cancer. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.